Can we use extra virgin olive oil for cooking? Yes, you can absolutely can use extra virgin olive oil for cooking. There is a common misconception that it is not suitable because of its lower smoke point compared to some other oils. Here is the breakdown. Extra virgin olive oil is safe for most cooking applications. A good quality extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point around 400 degree Fahrenheit, that is 205 degrees Celsius, which is plenty high for sauteing, pan, pan searing, and even some oven roasting. Health benefits are preserved. Study shows extra virgin olive oil remains stable when heated at typical cooking temperatures, remaining its beneficial antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. Flavor impact. Extra virgin olive oil can add a delicious flavor to your dishes. Just keep in mind that very high heat can cause some of the delicate flavors to evaporate. If you are looking for a healthy and favorable cooking oil, extra virgin olive oil is a great option. Just avoid using it for high heat frying where temperature exceeds its smoke point. Can you tell me uh, what is the smoke point of this well? Look, here is the smoke point, 400 degree Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius.